Okay, so we got here last night, went down to get water, and it was full of fish. So I forgot to do a video of where we're at. Dead Horse Lake is just up over the hill here. Dustin set up over here. We had company last night. Shad the man joined us. He's gonna go fishing with us for the next couple of days. Brought his dog Al. He is hanging well right down there in those trees. I'm right up here in these trees, and then Rolph is just right above us. So we're sitting by the fire this morning, and you probably won't be able to see anything. There's a teeny white dot right in there. That is a mountain goat. And right before I got up, everybody said 2 bull moose walked through our camp. So this has been a beautiful wildlife morning. Okay, there goes that bull moose. He's a big one. And there's the second one. He just ducked into the trees. I don't think I'm going to get a shot of him. Hey, there he is staring at me right there. All right, we have left camp. Stephanie and Nicole are taking the trail up over Dead Horse Pass and just going to Ledge Lake. Rolph, Dustin, Shad, and Al, we're going to do some cross-country cruising up to Ehud Lake, do a little fishing, and we'll hit Dead Horse, do a little fishing. On the other side of the pass, we're going to bail off trail again and hit Continent Lake, and then drop off to Ledge Lake from there. So we've got a little different day ahead of us. So if my calculations are correct, Ehud Lake should just be over this rise. That was a steep hill to climb. And there it is. All right, we got our packs off. Just a quick note here. I brought my BioLite and I brought 2 battery banks. I'm carrying 6 GoPro batteries, and then my phone, I'm keeping my track with it on the Gaia GPS every single day. Within 3 days, all my stuff was all completely dead. My battery banks just died from being cold. And Rolph came to the rescue with this solar panel, and I'll talk about it later on. That completely rescued my trip. So, anybody out there wondering how to keep batteries fresh for 10 days, they're like a pound, but by the time I brought my BioLite and a bunch of battery banks, I'm actually lighter. Check this out, the fishing lake. So as it has at most little lakes like this, the word gets out that they're actually good. And they just get fished to death, and then you can't catch anything. So we'll go try Dead Horse. It usually sucks. Maybe it'll be the best one in the place. Alright, so we're ascending on Dead Horse Lake, and there's Dead Horse Pass right in front of us. Trail's hard to see, but you can make it out. All the way up. We'll see if there's any fish in here. Okay, finally caught a little tiger here at Dead Horse. Not very big, but a fish is a fish. All right, he's just a cute little dude, but beautiful coloration on him. All right, so I caught one fish, which is, I bet these fish get caught twice a day, and that's pretty good. Cloud started moving in on us, so we're gonna make a break up the pass while we can. Our guys are all spread out though. I'm just trying to get them gathered up, and we'll head up the pass. All right, nothing but switchbacks and a Loch Ness Monster shaped lake. It's going to be really impossible to see, but right down here in the rocks there are actually horse bones. They call this Dead Horse Pass. There is a rock up here on top I'll show you later. They were supposed to blast it years ago, but they blasted the wrong place. And what happens is you have a pack horse with the packs that stick out on each side of it, and it'll hit the rock, throw your horse off balance, and there's nothing there but an edge, and they go down. So every couple of years a horse gets lost on this pass. It is aptly named. And there is Ehud behind her Ejod. I'll be out on the, let the jury vote on that one. It's EJOD, so tell me how you pronounce it. So if you look at rocks like this with your pack horse, they'll hit this edge right here and go that way. So you have to be really careful, have good horses. Some of these passes are no joke. Okay, here is the south side of Dead Horse Pass. This little spot right here we saw on the other side coming up Red Knob is Explorer Peak. Looks like we're about to get rained on right there. We're going to Continent Lake, which is just around the corner, and then we're camping just off this ledge right here at Ledge Lake. And then here is the north side. Looking down at Dead Horse Lake. Lots of wind. Okay, here's a shot of what we came up. You can actually see a few spots of the trail. Okay, last view of this side. This over here is Red Knob Pass that we came over yesterday. We camped, right down in that little meadow right there. Fished and fished. Pulled a pass. But we're going to get out of there before that hits us, because if we can get underneath it, I don't think it's raining, but at this level it is. Yes, there is. So we're coming over these snowfields. Nothing like a bottle of ice cold water when you're up here. And then we're going to go up over these rocks, hang a little bit north, and hit Continent Lake. Well, it is a beautiful but windy lake. Continent, no one's caught anything yet. We've only been here a minute. I haven't seen anything patrolling the edges. And it doesn't look horrifically deep, but maybe something will come up from all these rocks. Okay, wind's blowing pretty hard here, and I was just letting my fly dance on the water, and I pulled him out. Sorry for him, I'm having dinner tonight. All right, I forgot to video the last several that we've caught. This is number 4 for our group, 2 for me. Oh, he just got off. Dang it. Well, I should stop videoing and start fishing, and I would do much better. But there are some big fish. I'll show you the picture of what we've got when we're done here. Oh, Rolph's got one now. They are beautiful. And so far we've got a brookie and a cut. And another brookie. And we're just letting these tenkara rods, you just let the wind have your fly, and it just dances on the water, and these fish just come by and they can't help it. It'll fly up every now and then. All right, guys, this is our stringer for dinner. There's 4 on here, all of them nice. We're just fishing for fun now. All right, here's our last view of Continent Lake. I think Dustin caught one more fish that we just let back, and then the wind just started taking the top of the water and rolling it to the other end of the lake. And then the clouds built up over here and started chucking lightning at us, so we put our poles away and we're just gonna hike straight over here off the edge and should end up at Ledge Lake, which is where Steph and Nicole are. Hopefully have an established camp, maybe a fire going. Life will be awesome. All right, this just turned into a beautiful little stream, pools, slate rock, and then up here, if there was fish in this, this is what a tenkara rod was made for. But we've been walking it for quite a ways. I haven't seen any fish in it at all. But just beautiful, clear, cold water. And I believe we're really, really close to the waterfall that dumps over Ledge Lake. I mean, it's beautiful. And the trail goes, I don't know, 1/10 of a mile past this and just totally ignores all this stuff. I love to do the off-trail adventure. I love it. And this stream just comes right across this flat rock and just goes down. Some big flat rock. There, some stuff just doesn't get seen by everybody. Yeah, this place just keeps giving. Oh. We had our own little water slide over here if it wasn't about 32 degrees or 33 degrees. Oh man. All right, here's the close-up of the waterfalls over Ledge Lake. I thought we were gonna have to come down way further over. Man, this place has blown my mind. All right, we made it down. There's the falls over Ledge Lake. So we noticed coming off the ledge here that there was apparently a fire somewhere. It actually looks pretty close to the way we want to get out of here. So we've been making contingency plans, but in the last 10 minutes it's filled in with smoke. All things the way they are. Here's our camp. Rolph's tent, my hammock, Dustin's hammock, Nicole and that hot sexy mom over there.
Yeah,
Woo, gross. And Shad and Al are chilling over here in the trees. Rolph's out fishing. We only did 4 miles today. This was our rest day. Hopefully we don't have to hike out of somewhere.
Well, you can smell it now.
Yep, the smell just... And this is Ledge Lake, where we're camping. The one thing we have going for us is if we go down Rock Creek, we're clear at the top of it. It's pretty far, but there's a Forest Service down there we can make a phone call at. Or if we pop back up over Dead Horse and go down the West Fork of the Blacks, it's a huck, but Shad's truck's sitting down there. At least we could have a ride. And hopefully it's somewhere else and we can just continue our trip. Hey, so you can see the plume is just right there, and then it just gets just barely wider than us right here. So we are right downwind of that thing.